him out. So, I'm going to play now by myself. This game is actually really freaky.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning.
Can someone please play this game with me? I'm gonna go get my mom. Mommy, I need you. No, you stay away from me. Stop, no, stay away from me. Okay, he's staying away from me. I need another notebook, guys. Oh! Stop it! This is beyond freaky. Why can't I get out? Oh my god. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. He's right there.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
I need like someone to just cuddle me while I'm playing this. Okay. Crap, stop, no, I'm gonna get caught. Stop, no, I need to get through. Let me. Stop. Ugh, I get angry over every problem. You're wrong, I know, I realize this. Now let me go. Mom, he's right there. Okay, let me just run away from him. If I run away, he can't get me.